Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change OPPO language from Chinese to English. So firstly, I have to warn you guys that I do not know Chinese, but I'll just visually show you and give you a few visual clues that you can follow in order to, without knowing the Chinese language, in order for you to be still able to switch your system language or interface language to English. So find the settings app that looks like that, a gear icon that is framed in the gray circle or rectangle or square, rectangle in my case. Then scroll the available options all the way down and find the somewhat same icon that also has the circle with the gear inside it. By default, it is green circle and white gear. Tap on it. Then go for the second option from the top. So this is the first one and this is the second one. And in here, if you do not have the English language already listed over here, just tap at this blue text that should stand for something like add language. And simply, let me remove the English, remove English language, so I'll show you. And simply find and tap at this plus sign or plus icon in front of English language like that. Then go for the red option, I would assume. Or actually, yeah. If you will tap at the red text or red hieroglyphs, the system language will be switched off to Chinese right away. But if you just add an English language, let me show you real quick. So English, if you go for the other option like this one, previously I tapped over here, so now we'll tap over there. It will just be added as one of the languages. So hold this three vertical lines, or rather three horizontal lines, and make sure to drag the English language on top of Chinese, and the system language will be changed once you tap at the red option from the dialog window that follows. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.